Alright guys, we're about to upstyle this backpack that I just bought. I know on the last one I thrifted, and I also know that I started this series at the beginning of the year, but it doesn't matter. Here we go. I think it's so cute. I saw it. I think it'd be even cuter with like some little pearls and maybe some rhinestones around the Yankees like logo. I don't know. I think it's so cute. I just got it. I'm gonna look up some inspiration on Pinterest and then come back because I just feel like this with like some lace and stuff could be so cute. Guys, I'm gonna start decorating. Here's kind of some of the stuff that I have. This is just like leftover stuff that I have from a project from school, but these are like, they're like croc charms, but I'm just gonna like disassemble them, I think. I have these pearls and they don't have like holes or anything in them, but I'm just gonna try and like make a big chain or something and glue them together with the craft glue that I have. Some jewels, more jewels, rhinestones, some little stars, string, which I'll probably use to tie things together and such. I think it's gonna be cute. I was deciding between if I wanted like pearls around here or if I wanted the little diamonds, but I feel like this just makes the most sense. A little nervous, but here we go. I feel like it looks good. It's so cute. I just need to let it dry. Okay, I'm taking these giblets and I'm gonna try and take like some string and a needle and make a keychain of sorts. I need like an actual keychain to hook it to, but actually I think I have one. But yeah, I'm gonna start hooking some stuff together. Okay, I have these little like zipper locks. So I'm just gonna add it to one of them and I don't know, see what I can make. Okay, it's the next day and I just kind of forgot to record the ending, but let me show you guys the bag. It's literally so cute. This is it. I think that it's so cute. I have this cute little charm situation here. I didn't actually have anything to bind it and they're literally gibbets from a croc, so I just kind of tied them together. And then I made this little keychain out of stars. Cute little wristlet. And then these are actually little like backpack hooks that keep it secure, and then I chain them together here so that like I can close all of the backpack, if that makes sense. When I go here and lock it, then it's actually locked. There's no unlocking it. So I think it's so cute. I think it's really fun. I kind of want to add maybe like some ribbon or patches to it, but this is kind of all that I had. So all in all, I think it was so cute. It probably took me an hour, maybe 2 hours. And then if you look really close at the detailing, the Y is in these like thicker rhinestones, and then the N kind of, or the N alternates, so you can't tell super closely, but These are 2 different sizes, and every other size is what I ended up putting. And I'm about to feel so, I don't even know how I'm about to feel, but I like it. I like it a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. I think it's just so cute. And that's it.